There are some people.
Captain Obvious.
Oh dear. Oh, I think you got those two aggroes. No, go get the aggro the other ones.
Yeah, right, go conquer the others.
Go get the other one quick.
Yeah, I got the other one now. That's it. Oh, he's good.
No, he hasn't.
Oh!
Told you! Once you get aggro on them, you keep aggro on them, Jack. Oh well.
At least I can play hopscotch with them. I'm just messing around right now. No! Crap.
That
Oh,
was
come on.
shocking. Come on.
Can't.
B-A-Y.
Push B, A, B, A, X.
I don't care. Even though it gives you coins, but realistically, I could get loads of that. So what's the next upgrade?
That's tofu burger, surely.
I'll get the homie sneakers, and then the health would be the last one.
Enough.
And that goes. Well, I do know. So this is going to be hard.
You're getting bitch slapped around.
Yo man, quit getting ragged though.
Come on!
There we go.
Not great. It's a shame I can't go back to the store.
You don't have enough money anyway.
He wants to get another Lollypop. Probably one later on in the...
There's no point buying lollipops in this game.
No, find them, Pete. Honestly. Oh, this is the thing, the bit we have to get on the medal for the achievement.
Every day, 39,000 girls are forced into marriage.
Oh well, kids. They're in weird, horrible countries that no one cares about.
A 12-year-old girl wants to marry a 37-year-old, and she studies all the she's all over her own protest about it by saying no at the altar and walk back down the aisle. So they were doing it because it was organised as a publicity stunt to get people aware that it's happening.
Yeah.
And it is just happening in poorer countries. There's a lot of people think that, oh, this is happening in poorer countries and things, but it doesn't. It happens all over the world.
You heard that.
66 to go.
Yeah.
Sometimes you do need to wait a little bit.
Uh-oh. Now it's not letting it rain.
Oh!
Gee, I wonder where you've got to go now.
Partly speaking Welsh can improve mental decline with age.
I know. Right. Nick, shoot now. Life is but a screen.
Nice jump. Nice jump. Oh, I can't wait for you to shoot. I gotta stop this. Chainsaw Blaster!
There's an uploading screen. Took me out of a loading screen. Tell me that. Come on, Chance, don't die. Don't be a noob. Come on. Come on, mate.
Breaking the hitboxes for days.
This is the only moment where you don't have to control Nick during this stupid segment.
You're proper cheating. You're not supposed to be able to kill the people who hold the bases. That's not the way baseball works.
Referee. There ain't none.
It's an umpire, actually.
Yes.
That's not even a home run because he stopped at every fucking base.
Apparently, Grangetown, you know, Paris Street Grangetown, meant to be the winning street for dumping shit. I just read that. Do you remember what I was just saying? Well, I'm not fucking surprised. Have you ever seen Grangetown? There's a reason why everyone in Cardiff there's Strangetown or Black Man Alley. Because I'm not joking, it's like Spot the White Person now. I'm really not joking. It's like they all seem to it's like weird. It's like they all just seem to have a congregated there. And like that's their little community. And then we got everyone else's our community. It's a bit fucked up. Every time I've gone to Grangetown, I think I found one white person out of like over 100 people. And it's mad. I've never seen anywhere else like it in Cardiff.
Don't die, Karen.
Here.
The more platinums he gets, the better. I don't even get that reference.
Babe Ruth is a professional baseball player.
If I could, I guess that one, but I'm not American, so I don't know anything about baseball. Hey, look, she got the vacuum out. Stop putting out a petrol, Sam. Oh, so that's not the way petrol works, game. Running out of petrol means you have to find some more, not wait until it's charged. Also, there's a bit of a visual flaw there, because the feet will go off the floor. Shut up!
Okay. If she's got a motorcycle, then why does she ride to school on a bike?
On a pedal bike.
She needs to make sure she's in perfect physical condition.
No, it's just not.
Yeah.
Yeah, Japanese logic.
Only another 64 medals to go!
And what was it again? The
home.
480. Okay.
Use that for the home.
I just need a piss.
Oh.
Oh, moderate bad. Oh, fucking hell!
Oh, Scheisse!
Did you fall over there?
He ran into the table.
Wait. Oh, good guy's up there in a minute. Come on then, bro. You get one more.
I don't want you to bring that out of my neck. That's disgusting.